Good morning, Hoover Math and Science Academy students and staff. Hi, this is Iman coming to you live from the WHVR studio. Today is Friday, January 29th, 2016. The temperature in the village of Schaumburg is currently 20 degrees. Later today, we are expecting a high of 33 and a low of 30, with partly sunny skies. Now please stand and join us in saying our nation's pledge. Our pledge people for today are
Nicole, Jason, Eddie, Vivian.
I
Pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
In sports last night, the Bulls won against the Los Angeles Lakers with a score of 114-91. There are no clubs meeting today, and there will be no music enrichment at lunchtime. 5th grade students, next Wednesday night, come to the Hoover gym from 6:30 to 7:30 to play dodgeball. Only 5th grade students may come with a parent or high school sibling. Please, no younger brothers or sisters as the gym will be too crowded. There is no permission slip needed, so just join the fun and find out how well Mom or Dad can play dodgeball. Now a message from Mr. Smelger.
Thank you, Iman. Good morning, Hoover staff and students. Happy Friday. Hopefully everyone's having a great start to their day. Just a quick studio check here. If you are having problems with your sound, would you please let Mrs. Bernanke or Mrs. Notley know so that they can look into that further. I think I can hear some of the classrooms from here. We're going to pull some Herbie high fives. All right. This is primary. We've got Kia in 121. Looks like Brianna in 119. Ellie in 114. Haley in 109. Beatrice in 106. Get these out of here. And Will in 105. All right. Let's go to the second floor egg. Thank you. Chris, 203. There's a lot of them in here. Michelle in 214. Kyle in 205. Logan in 212. Mohammed in 202. And is that all of them? Should I do one more? Do one more. Eric in 201. Congratulations to all of you that got your name called. Everybody have a great day or not. The choice is yours.
Thank you, Mr. Smelger.
You're welcome.
Here's today's interesting fact. Did you know that President Theodore Roosevelt wanted to be a zoologist before becoming president? Many of his animals lived at the White House, but most lived at the Summer White House in Long Island, New York. There, you might see a lion, hyena, wildcat, coyote, bears, and zebras. Nearly all the time he was president, 5 or 6 dogs lived at the White House. His favorite was a little mixed breed dog named Skip. That's all for today. This week's broadcast has been brought to you by the Gummy Bears production team. Have a fabulous, fantastic 5th grade 204 Friday.